Hello traders, this is Ed. Welcome to Ed Traders YouTube channel. So I have talked about a concept of how I approach the market on a daily basis, how I do top-down analysis and get my trades on daily basis, something of that sort. So today, this is the practical aspect of what I taught you. This is the trade I took on GBP AUD. A buy is a swing trade. Right now we are around 140 pips in profit. So I want to show you how step by step how I got this entry and something of that sort, why I took this entry. And I'm expecting, you can see that it is still ongoing. I'm expecting it to reach around 1.93, 142. I possibly believe it will reach there. That's why I took that trade. So let's go to the chart and see what happened. Okay. So going with this chart here, the first thing I taught you is that I start how I the market is that I start on the monthly time frame. I usually watch how the market monthly time frame is behaving. And there are two most important aspects of the market that I usually watch. One of the things is how the market is balanced. The second thing is liquidity points uh, in the market. Okay, so starting on the monthly time frame, I want first to check, do I have things like favor lookup? Do I have any key liquidity points that probably the market is heading towards? So right now I don't see anything like that. I don't also on top. I am seeing wicks on top and the wicks also wick below, something of that sort. You see. So another thing I'm asking myself: do I have anything that possibly can be able to give me a clue that this market either is going up or down? So the second thing, the second thing that I can talk about on this market is that the market has been bearish. When we have bearish candle, we expect at least for them to show momentum on the lower side. But you can see how this market on the lower side, they are struggling to go down, but the wick pushing up, going down, wick pushing up, 3 months consecutively. And then you see last month, it the last month how it ended, and then the market also pushed on top, pushed to the upside. Okay, so that's aside. Now, the next thing I told you also is that the weeks are not enough. All these things are not. This is just maybe what just things you are trying to look at, maybe from far to see where the market is going approximately. We have not found any other whatever it is that maybe can give us a good impression where this market is going. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Going to the weekly time frame, at least we have seen on the monthly time frame that the market has been working on the lower side, which is quite impressive. When we come to the weekly time frame, you can see that we have fair value gap at these levels here. So you can see that this is a fair value gap I have here. Let me just delete everything on the chart. I will return them later on. So you can see that we have this fair value gap here. Okay, we have this weekly fair value gap here. Then the next thing I ask myself, if we have this weekly fair value gap here, then I know that this market possibly, since it has created this fair value gap, there's a high chance that the buyers are favored. Okay, then after the weekly time frame, I know that the only thing I'm waiting for is the market to come and touch this fair value gap. Then I start looking for buy entries. Okay, so going down to the daily time frame, you can see that also the daily time frame, how the market has been pinning the low, the market coming to the low, and then because I took that trade on Monday, which was right now, today is on 4th of June, I took it on 3rd. You can see the market has been waking the lower side, and right now you can see the market came to this low, wake it, and then we move to the upside. So on the daily time frame, it's just all those weeks you're seeing. The more you can go to a lower time frame like 4-hour time frame and see what's really happening. Let me just remove the daily dividers so that this session breaks, so that you'll be able to see what's really going on. So when we remove all those session breaks, the next thing we are watching for that I told you is that we're looking for the market structure. Okay, so watching this market generally, you can see that we had this market structure. We can do it this way. Let me just show you something here. We have this high. Let's just start from this point. We have this high. We have this low. The market had also formed this low, then this mini high, low, then high here. Then the market had formed this consolidation. This consolidation is very important, very rectangle. Okay, the moment you see such kind of consolidation, it's a sign that the market can either burst on either direction. Okay, then we saw this thing, this kind of consolidation here, forming something like a triple bottom, and then the market had broken it. You see break of structure, a retest of that structure here, and then the market moved to the upside. So what I was waiting for, since also I have a fair value gap here, I was also waiting according to the market structure for it to give me a retest, and then I continue. So right now you can see the target. Let me just show you that trade again. If you look at the target, right now you can see that according to the trade I've given, I'm targeting around this high here for the market to come around this high. I think that's the correct place, okay? I'm targeting the market to come to this high as our final TP. So there's these zones here, but this is the nearest one that I think possibly there's a high chance the market will be coming before maybe deciding again where to go to. Also, when you look at this market again, as the market was coming to this fair value gap, we also had this equal high at this level here. This is a very important point for us because this equal high, the moment the market is usually being attracted to such kind of zones. You can see on the lower side, the market had taken these equal highs on the lower side, and then after taking this equal low on the lows on the lower side, the market had to take the equal highs, and then possibly what can happen, you can see this market stretching, fulfilling this, coming to this liquidity, taking this liquidity on this high, and then the market can come to the half point of that structure before continuing the bullish impression or deciding again where it's supposed to go. So that's also something also you have to put in consideration. So going on this day, you can see that exactly after touching this fair value gap here, what did the market do? You can see what the market did here. This is a common thing that I've been seeing. The market had broken this level. We had something like a double bottom here, the break of this neckline. This is where we got in, around that level. Let me just return back that entry. I want to see exactly, to show you exactly where we moved in. Yeah, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So this is the trade. This is the trade. You can see exactly where we got in. After the break, it was after the break of this one, this green candle here. After the break of this green candle here, then we just jump into the market. The market retraced down and continue with the bullish impression. So you can see the power of what I taught you in the other video. You can just ensure you can just ensure you watch that video. I'll link it with this video so that you'll be able to access it easily. So that's what I want to show you today. Have it best, and may the market go with you. I'm out. Thank you.